Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to image search on AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your phone, and at homepage at the top of your screen you should see this camera icon right here in the searching box, so you want to tap it. Then you should allow access to your camera and allow access to your photos as well, so press this red button at the bottom. Then go to settings and enter photos section, and here you can select which exactly access you can give to your photos. So you can add photos only, you can allow limited access to your photos and full access. I will select full access, for example. Okay, so I'm going back to AliExpress, and now you can select a photo from your gallery that you would like to image search. For example, let's pick this one, and it will show you similar items from your photo. And also you can adjust this frame just like that. Yeah, and it will show you similar items. So yeah, that's it. And if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.